Ever pondered about your eating habits and if you're open to a culinary adventure of a different kind? Welcome to a refreshing journey where we explore the concept of one meal a day. We'll delve into the surprising benefits this eating pattern might hold for us. As we saunter along, we'll also lightly brush upon the intriguing world of intermittent fasting and the rejuvenating process of autophagy to be or become healthy and lose some weight just like that. The stage is set. So, are you ready to delve into the realm of one meal a day? Imagine this, a lifestyle where you enjoy your favorite foods all within a single meal. Now let's dive into the first 10 benefits of adopting this one meal a day lifestyle. Firstly, weight loss. By limiting your calorie intake to one meal per day, your body will naturally start to burn stored fat for energy. It's like turning your body into a fat-burning machine. Next, improved mental clarity. Fasting has been linked to increased mental alertness and concentration. It's as if your brain goes into turbo mode when it's not busy digesting all day long. Then we have increased energy. While it may sound counterintuitive, fasting can actually boost your energy levels. Your body adapts to efficiently use the energy from your meal, keeping you energized throughout the day. Fourthly, lower blood sugar levels. Fasting can improve insulin sensitivity, helping to control blood sugar levels. This is a big win for those concerned about diabetes. The fifth benefit is reduced inflammation. By giving your body a break from constant digestion, you allow it to focus on healing and reducing systemic inflammation. Moving on to improved heart health, the sixth benefit. Fasting has been shown to lower bad cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Longevity is our seventh benefit. Studies suggest that fasting can activate a process called autophagy, or self-cleaning, where your body removes damaged cells, potentially leading to a longer life. Eighth, let's talk about reduced food costs. With only one meal to prepare, you'll likely spend less on groceries. It's a simple equation. Less food equals less money spent. Ninth, less cooking. With only one meal a day, you'll save time in the kitchen. That's more time for you to do what you enjoy. And finally, the 10th benefit, more free time. Imagine all the time you'll save not having to plan, cook, and clean up after multiple meals a day. And that's just the tip of the iceberg, my friend. Still with us? Excellent. Let's explore the remaining benefits of this intriguing lifestyle. So, where were we? Yes, the benefits of one meal a day. Let's dive back in, shall we? First up, improved digestion. When you're not constantly bombarding your stomach with food, it has time to properly digest what you've eaten. This can lead to less bloating and discomfort. Next, better sleep. Our bodies are not designed to digest food while we're sleeping. By eating one meal a day, you give your body plenty of time to digest before bedtime, leading to deeper, more restful sleep. Moving on to increased human growth hormone. This hormone is essential for growth, cell regeneration, and cell reproduction. Fasting has been shown to increase levels of this hormone, which can lead to benefits such as improved muscle strength and better weight loss results. Then we have the activation of autophagy. Autophagy is your body's way of cleaning out damaged cells and replacing them with new ones. This process is activated during periods of fasting and can lead to improved cellular health and longevity. Next in line is enhanced mood. Many people report feeling happier and more focused when they're not constantly thinking about their next meal. It's like your brain gets a break from food and can focus on other things. More controlled eating habits are another benefit. When you're only eating one meal a day, you're less likely to overeat or indulge in unhealthy foods. It's easier to make healthier choices when food is not constantly on your mind. Less obsession with food is another big one. When you're not constantly thinking about what you're going to eat next, you have more mental space for other things. Potential for muscle growth. Yes, you heard that right. With the increased human growth hormone and insulin sensitivity, your body is in the perfect state to build muscle. Increased insulin sensitivity is another benefit. This means your body is better at using insulin to lower blood sugar levels. This can help prevent type 2 diabetes. And finally, a sense of accomplishment. There's something empowering about taking control of your eating habits and seeing the benefits in your health and well-being. Quite a fascinating list, don't you agree? Now picture this. A life with avocados, dairy products from sheep and goose, all enjoyed in one grand meal, without the constant worry of hunger or junk food. Imagine the liberation of breaking away from the shackles of constant snacking and mindless munching. The one-meal-a-day lifestyle, also known as OMAD, is more than just a diet plan. It's a shift in perspective, a new approach to food and health. This lifestyle is not about deprivation, rather it's about making that one meal a day a grand celebration of flavors and nutrients. It's about enjoying a feast of avocados, rich dairy products, and a variety of other wholesome foods, all in one sitting. But it's not just the food, it's the freedom it brings. Freedom from constant meal planning, from the nagging thought of what's next on the menu, and the incessant calorie counting. Moreover, it's the control you gain over your health. By confining your food intake to a specific window, you're essentially training your body to burn fat more efficiently, improving your metabolic health, and activating the process of autophagy, which helps your body to repair itself. It's about giving your body the time it needs to do its housekeeping, without the constant interruption of digestion. The one-meal-a-day lifestyle can be a game changer. It can change the way you look at food, the way you experience hunger, and the way you live your life. It's not just about the food, it's about a happier, healthier you. So, to sum up the feast of benefits we've just dished out, the one-meal-a-day plan bestows a plethora of health advantages. From kickstarting autophagy, the process where our body purges damaged cells, to bolstering mental sharpness and physical energy levels. It's a variant of intermittent fasting that has you fasting for 20 hours minus the sensations of hunger or deprivation. Picture this, no more cravings for junk food, but rather a newfound affection for nutritious foods like avocados and dairy products from sheep and goose. This isn't about shedding pounds or toning up, it's about cultivating a healthier relationship with food and revolutionizing the way you live. Adopting this lifestyle could pave the way to a happier, more fulfilled life, brimming with vitality and zest. Bear in mind, it's not about restriction, it's about liberation. One meal a day. It's not just a diet, it's a lifestyle revolution. Are you ready to give it a try? Now here is where you come in. Don't miss out on our future videos packed with more interesting facts and information. We need your support to keep this channel going. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on the lifestyle revolution that we're bringing to you. Join us and be a part of this journey to health and happiness.